Hello, my name is Karim Longwe. Welcome to my last video on Mendeley. Creating citations using Mendeley. This is probably the last video. After having talked about how you can download and install Mendeley, how you can create notes in Mendeley, how you can organize your documents, in this video we're going to talk about the real citation itself and the setting of bibliography, how you can do it. So do that, I'm going to open my Mendeley desktop, and then I also open the document that I want to insert citations. So to do that, if for example I want to cite this part, farmers getting an average yield of 1.1 tons per hectare. Well, you see, so I want to cite the source of that. What I'll do is I click a spacebar and then I click on insert citation. Under insert citations, there are two ways you can do that. If you know the author or you know the year, you can just search here. Let's say we want this, and this is Guide to Agricultural Production, Ministry of Agriculture. Next, what you do is you click here, and then Mendeley automatically creates your citation, MWAFC 2005. Sure, but there's also, you can also search by title or whatever. The other way is to go to directly in the Mendeley desktop. So do that, you click on insert citation, and then this pops out. Under this, you click on go to Mendeley, and then it takes you inside the Mendeley desktop. In the Mendeley desktop, maybe I wanted to reference the MWAFC document, and I click here, and then I click here to select it, and then I go on cite icon, click once, and here we go. It has been created for the second time, but you need to delete one. So we're remaining with this MWAFC 2005. That's all about it. Citation. So let's say you have made your citations, you have inserted your citations, and now you want to develop the bibliography down here. And now you want to develop the bibliography. Okay, so to develop the bibliography, what you do is you go down to the end of the document where I want your reference section to be. So I'll write reference here. So under reference, I click also once and place it here, and then click again on the references tab. Under the references tab, initially I was clicking on insert citation. Now I'll just need to click on insert bibliography, and if you insert bibliography, it automatically creates your bibliography. And then there are different styles, but the common style that we are using in Malawi, the APA, American Psychological Association. And then you have different styles that you can use to make your citations. For example, let's try to use the AMA. If I use the AMA, then this bibliography changes. Now it has the numbers automatically, and even inside here, even your citations, you see your citations has changed. Now you have the numbers 6 and 7, 4 to 6. You have 1. Well, and you can also change to maybe IEEA as another style. Then you have the numbers now in hyphen, and down here in your bibliography the same happens. If that's not the style you want, you can choose another style. Let's say you want the Harvard reference format. If you use the Harvard reference format, inside you have something like this, but when you go down, so it's not that much difference from the Harvard and the APA. But for the system that the style that we want for ourselves, it's the APA. Here we go. We have our reference section, we have cited, and we have our reference section. Thank you. Ooh.